Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today we're sharing 10 clever life hacks that will make your everyday tasks easier and more organized. From DIY phone stands to creative storage solutions, these hacks are simple yet effective. Let's dive right in. Hack 1. DIY phone stand from a paperclip. First up, the DIY phone stand. All you need is a paperclip. Here's how. Take a standard paperclip and bend it into a shape that can hold your phone upright. Adjust the angles to ensure stability. This is perfect for watching videos hands-free, whether you're cooking or relaxing. Hack 2. Muffin tin for condiments. Next, let's get organized at your next barbecue or picnic. Use a muffin tin to hold various condiments. Fill each compartment with ketchup, mustard, relish, and more. This keeps everything neat and makes it easy for guests to serve themselves without any mess. Hack 3. Rubber band to prevent slipping. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? Here's a quick fix. Wrap a thick rubber band around the lid. The added grip will help you twist it open easily, no more struggling. Hack 4. Coffee filter for dusting. Keep your home clean with coffee filters. They're great for dusting. Use them as lint-free cloths to clean screens and surfaces. They won't leave behind any residue, making cleaning quick and easy. Hack 5. Soda can tab for extra hanger space. Need more space in your closet? Use soda can tabs. Attach one tab to the hook of your hanger. This creates an additional hanging space for another item of clothing. Perfect for maximizing closet space. Hack 6. Cereal box as a laptop stand. Elevate your laptop with this easy hack using an empty cereal box. Cut the box into two pieces and fold them into an L shape. This creates an ergonomic stand that raises your screen for better viewing. Hack 7. Toothpaste for cleaning headlights. Restore foggy headlights with toothpaste. Here's how. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to a soft cloth and rub it on the headlights. Rinse with water afterward and watch them shine like new, improving visibility while driving. Hack 8. Old ladder as a bookshelf. Repurpose an old wooden ladder into a unique bookshelf. Lean it against the wall and use the rungs to hold books or plants. This adds character to your space while providing stylish storage. Hack 9. Ice cream cone holder. Prevent messes at your next ice cream party with this simple hack. Use an upside-down cupcake holder to hold ice cream cones while serving. This keeps them upright and prevents spills, perfect for kids and adults alike. Hack 10. Binder clip as money holder. Finally, keep your cash and cards organized with a binder clip. Use it to hold money or cards in your wallet or purse. This prevents them from getting lost and keeps everything tidy. And there you have it, 10 clever life hacks that will simplify your everyday tasks. From DIY phone stands to creative storage solutions, these tips are easy to implement and incredibly useful. If you enjoyed these hacks, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative ideas. Share your favorite hack in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy hacking.